Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Tushar. Do you want to know how to solve concatenated transformation numericals? Then let's begin.
A object is to be rotated about point A having coordinate -10, -10 by 90 degree in counterclockwise direction. Find the concatenated transformation matrix. The below diagram showing the given information in graphical form. The circular object need to be rotated about point A by 90 degree in counterclockwise direction. And we are asked to find the concatenated transformation matrix. This numerical can be solved in 3 steps. In first step, we have to bring that point A at origin. In second step, we have to rotate the object about point A by 90 degree in counterclockwise direction. And in third step, we have to return point A to its original location. So, we can write the given data for this numerical. Point A with coordinate -10, -10, theta 90 degree, so in first step we will write the translation to bring that point A at origin. To bring that point at origin, we have to take the appropriate values for Tx and Ty. Tx equal to 10 and Ty equal to 10. With these values of Tx and Ty, we will convert the coordinate of point A to 0, 0. Th matrix equal to 1, 0, Tx 0, 1, Ty and 0, 0, 1. This is the translation matrix. In second step, we will rotate the object about point A by 90 degree in counterclockwise direction. Rotation. And for rotation, theta equal to 90 degree. And direction of rotation is counterclockwise. So theta will be positive for the calculation. We can write now the rotation matrix R equal to cos theta minus sin theta 0, sin theta, cos theta 0, 0, 0 and 1. Cos 90 minus sin 90 0, sin 90, cos 90, 0. And third row 0, 0, 1. Cos 90 is 0. Minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. And third row 0, 0, 1. So this is the rotation matrix. Third step is inverse translation. Inverse translation will cancel the translation we have performed in step 1. So here we can take Tx equal to minus 10 and Ty equal to minus 10, or directly we can write the appropriate value in the translation matrix. So inverse translation matrix equal to 1, 0, minus Tx, 0, 1, minus Ty, 0, 0, 1 equal to 1, 0, minus 10, 0, 1, minus 10, 0, 0, 1. So this is inverse translation matrix. Now we can find out the concatenated transformation matrix. Concatenated transformation matrix CT equal to transformation we have performed last, we have to write at first place. Inverse translation multiply by rotation multiply by translation. This is inverse translation matrix. Multiply by rotation matrix. Multiply by translation matrix. First we have to multiply inverse translation matrix with rotation matrix and the product of these two to translation matrix. And we have CT matrix equal to zero, minus 1, minus 20, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the concatenated transformation matrix. By using this, we can accomplish the rotation of any object about point A by 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. This is the initial situation where the object is required to be rotated about point A, and after rotation the object achieves its new location.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts, then leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get the notification.